Everybody, welcome to this channel and thank you for watching. And in today's video we're gonna be looking on how to create our launch screen and how we can create also our app icon. So follow along with me as I launch my Xcode. And forgot one thing, in today's video I'm going to be using an existing project. I'm not going to create a full project or create a new project, so just follow along. I'm gonna be using this existing project. As you can see, I'm already working on a file on a project, so I'm gonna be using this one. So just go to your launch screen.storyboard, click on your view controller, go to background. Let me just give this one a green, and let me just look for a label. Yep, and the label I just give my funny name. You can give whatever name you like, it's up to you. I'll just put my hello. Yep, so let me see the front size, like what I can do to change. So let me look for a name which is yeah, this one we can manage this. In this video we don't need any constraints, so let me just run the app. Look at what we got. We succeeded. Perfect. See, hello, this is it. Now we just go. Now we can now operate our app. This was the app I was building, a simple demo, quotation demo app. Okay guys, thank you for watching. In the other video I'm gonna be showing you how to create an app icon, this kind of icon, how to create it the way you're gonna show very well, like Facebook, like any quotation app. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.